Zeus's head glides thrillingly along a spinning needle, yet never falls off. Michelangelo's statue spins in an infinite loop, narrowly dodging crashing boulders each time. These mesmerizingly smooth, perfectly timed looping animations are digital artworks by Swedish artist Andreas. A self-taught dream weaver, Andreas creates intricate 3D sculptures that, through precise calculations, break the boundaries of friction and gravity in an idealized physical world, achieving flawlessly fluid, continuous motion. This surreal state of eternity evokes a strange, hypnotic sensation. Stare for just a few seconds, and you'll find yourself unable to look away, your mind emptying, even drifting into a meditative state. Andreas hopes to counter the overwhelming noise of the information age with pure visual pleasure. The dreamlike world he has created welcomes every soul to step in and let go.